Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo. The COSORI Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo is a kitchen marvel that brings convenience and customization to your cooking experience. With its customizable cooking functions, you have the power to tailor the time and temperature of any preset to save your favorite flavors. The ability to add or remove a personal shake reminder adds another layer of personalization, ensuring your dishes turn out just the way you like them. The appliance is equipped with AdaptIQ technology, which utilizes rapid 360 degrees air circulation to heat food quickly and evenly. This not only results in crispy textures but also ensures that your meals are a hit with everyone. The 12-1 touch cooking functions cover a wide range of culinary delights, from steak and chicken to seafood, bacon, and even frozen foods. Whether you're in the mood for French fries, vegetables, or a perfectly toasted slice, the COSORI Pro 2 has you covered. It even includes functions for baking, preheating, and keeping your creations warm. Number 2. Ninja DZ2 Foodi8. The Ninja DZ2 Foodi8 is a game changer in the world of air fryers. Its standout feature is the inclusion of two independent baskets, setting it apart from traditional single-basket air fryers. This means you can cook two different foods in two different ways simultaneously, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking sessions. One of the key technologies employed is the dual zone technology, which offers two exciting options. The Smart Finish feature allows you to cook two foods with different settings that finish at the same time, ensuring a synchronized culinary experience. On the other hand, the Match Cook button enables you to effortlessly replicate settings across zones, making the most of the full 8-quart capacity. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro. The Instant Pot Pro is a culinary powerhouse that combines 11 functions in one versatile appliance. It serves as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sous vide machine, air fryer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, and dehydrator, all in a single device. This multi-cooker, an evolution from the popular Duo series, stands out by introducing air frying capabilities with two removable lids for added convenience. One of its notable features is the premium cookware-grade inner pot with stay-cool silicone handles. This allows for seamless transitions between the Instant Pot and the stovetop, adding a level of flexibility to your cooking routine. The Even Crisp technology, courtesy of the air fryer lid, ensures that your dishes achieve the perfect balance of crunch and tenderness with a significantly lower oil content, reducing oil usage by up to 95%. Number 4. GoWISE USA GW22633. The GoWISE USA GW22633 is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to revolutionize your cooking experience, promoting healthier eating habits with the convenience of rapid air technology. With this air fryer, you can indulge in your favorite foods minus the guilt of extra calories, as it allows frying, baking, grilling, and roasting with minimal to no oil. Its user-friendly controls make it easy to operate. Simply set the time and temperature using button controls. The temperature range of 175°F to 400°F provides flexibility, and you can cook for durations ranging from 1 to 30 minutes. The 30-minute timer automatically transitions to standby mode upon completion, ensuring hassle-free cooking. Safety is a priority with the GoWISE USA GW22633, featuring a PFOA-free non-stick air fry pan and basket. The cool touch handle and button guard prevent accidental detachment, enhancing the overall safety of the cooking process.